Yes, Ghana for any year ni Pejuma unkofo no mukuma no John Dramani Mahama omukuma wo police station no e comedy wo mu Pejuma ma wo mu enye de ehia ni ene se obecheche e matan anaso obi obeka sa etia wa ye dey atu Ghana for KOOSE atuja ni Ghana for enye asem keto akora Ghana for KOOSE atuja Ghana for me se ene nwumre ni ebeje wonsem ene nwumre eja KOOSE atoma ye John Dramani Mahama no eda soronko Ghana for mo ya aware say ye John Dramani Mahama wo tro letter e de koma ye friend na akufuado kasafa fa ahudie ho Ghana for boy aware sa KOOSE a react to sa we no ye first letter no ana wonim say chine ye che Camilla no KOOSE so sa ye dey a react to etiana de menyere de krampo me be botcher na eja KOOSE ato na nime no enya asem keto okra na wonim say Afenyo marking so esu second deputy first deputy speaker e dey awie ni a enya asem keto ana wonim say your friend say, Dr. Okoboy, what secret be, afa your friend say, Camilla, and Cheno and answer to Educotum, Gafo, or young Basho, Namasi Camilla, and some yet from and Coffee and Mudin Comoni Gafo. What is that? Oh, Camilla and Camilla, I don't know, a national security for it is a leg. National security for them be captured and say, I attisamo, it is a leg. National security for them be captured and say, get a castle yarn was say, and that's all you're in the who your friend or court one catch a judge so why you're born of our born and child, say by a hospital. Aja, one a man will be so aha, ja, when Nimra no so quite too many decoy. Therefore, be both video night, actually, answer above video natural. Master say, and no first time I'll hear me videos are now. What's subscribing to YouTube channel night? I'm who we are no like and one share, and what's our commenting notification, baby. But now the inside and me, so say, anytime be a voice of his own, midi new video, but you know, on Saturday my day. I can get for Mummy and Kohe, a jack was after 2 my John man, Mahama, and you ready.
KOOSE. See no mama kan kire o say a crime say you be hunu moto mu nwin e wa abonten unum say ano so crime first we be media you so kan sem asisi so ye no kama na ya chimera Chris aboaje the bill ato no so na wo be kasa enti shebi stick by yesen ana uye zuru ni na ado moto ma ba kire ye oh so won shatale o media so create content ya na wo dia wo peja unsa no moto mu nyina bonchire wasei na say man ya wo kasa ma media yi so te say nze ogu Ghana for content for any mase o moto mu nyin ana ka say Ghana haran e pe moto mu nyin ko contest hwe wo de won shatale atare a won hye nyina na content a wo create te say ba so create content na okasa se dipa nyina ya dwene nyepe tina twa bank kwa doso by me gidi se moto munini de I against Ghana law think KOOSE say no wono ma wo ye no se wan we ya ye be report to say
Me di mamoto amuhino is a crime. Me di mamoto amuhino. Me mamoto amuhino funa e wo me ame ho no. E against Ghana law. Sisi me namro. Wo mo pe kwan bia so a wo mo beti bia tom. Itu wo mo nya. Itu mo babonti mbeka se mi mamotom na afu no against Ghana law. A crime se mamotom afu a crime. Against Ghana law. Se mamotom afu maje mamotom no wo se against Ghana law. Inti ye be report me ya cheme. Wo mo atete obi ayemu media no obi ayemu na ko so o mati ko sa atum be nya adwuma. Alright. Juma. Because when me answer na be video no. Na baby a video na kone nam. Answer na pia bonteno masa. In painful woman investigating me video. Answer the video na babonteno. Me na no more woman invest woman check me videos answer na ababonteno. You don't have idea. And this is muni kwembia mo de be fa so de acheme. Muni kwembia mo de be fa so de acheme. E kwan sisi ano. Mo pese mo fa so. E de timi ko setum enene se majama mutu manafu inti against Ghana law. Se mi mamutu manafu. It is offense, say mamutu mafu. And your offense against Ghana law is majama mamutu mafu. Inti mo be report me. Emma NDC government abe fami. Emma Ghana police abe chimi. Muatamfu pa. Hey, Adam from a dear young fanchemi. Adam from a pa dear. Atayi 70 years in this sir. Beat me a mambe 180 years. Hey, Mamutu mne funo and your offense against Ghana law.
Mahama letter or Chirokoma Ekufuado. Or see, dear President Ekufuado, I am appalled at the growing criminalization of speech and journalism in Ghana under your watch and in this 21st century. This is President Mahama's opening comment. Or see, he's appalled. But then dear President Mahama wadakra. He don't bed. Wada. Now, Omokra Bema will focus on 24-hour economy. Wadani in 24-hour chip. 24-hour arrest. 24-hour arrest. No, Wadani no. And watch a chinko for just to divert attention from taxes and Modeba Parliament.
And this war opposition, President John Dramani Mahama trial letter at the command and Kufuado said the way ya NPP for teaching Kofu Gumuno enye because Ghana is freedom of speech. Mebao. Me tell you. NDC government war opposition. President John Dramani Mahama trial letter at the command and Kufuado say you with democracy. Into the way and Kufuado teaching Kofu nenye. Into omba democracy ni nye adwuma na mebawo Nana Kufuado and Nana Kufuado wamo chi journalist for no need a minimum and then NPP government and Emma Nana Kufuado wa power no wamo chi freedom of speech o kasa ye che o hey and then Yankopon wadi mi ho afofie and then Yankopon o hira me papa upon ya midye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eni Nana Kufuado abreso ade a midye NPP emenoma na NPP wo power phone call kura manya bi phone call threat kura manya bi wo social media ade a midye NPP government no criticize the NPP government. Especially Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The way I may criticize no. The way I may criticize Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no. Hey, you don't have idea. Yantimio. 2020 to 2024. What a criticizer. What a criticizer. Me criticize NPP papa. Adi na wo opposition. ade na wo opposition na wo ka ho asem no wo ba power no what was ade na wo opposition na hu ni say enye no NDC government ba power no eye eh urade dabio me pese meti ase say President John Mahama etro letter e de command NPP government emenema na more power said the way wo mo chichin kofo na nye into no fight for democracy but now wo mo chin kofo de mi bisasa na wo mo chin kofo ena wo mo ancheme no no need the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia who you good. Send the NPP government power more chichi freedom of speech for na yanche media. Oh, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Mr. One need him Mr. Me person me start business. Ma me pay 15 billion BY. Mr. Let me find starting me business because me who say we a good person. Oh dear Mr. 15 billion no currency shadia a doson do do amesrew wo de peka bi mami pe nice car say Toyota Camry Spider kura pe mami na pe be 3 bedrooms bi faka ho mami because we a good person me the way you treat me no threaten you threaten me no e ye worse. And so I did me the year NPP for once na crown from me and can't tell me say coach ni awe ni jai once na crown from me. Oh, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia awe ni papa mesrew me ye president ansa na wa boa me why boa me na me ho kire me mesrew peka bi mami na pe dan bi pe so awurade na me jiji dem say ya me jiji dem a yesi me bo NDC fo achieve and intimi nya bi ndi tiri so mi bo wachi timi nya bi ndi ada de dada wona wo hwe me de dada wona wo hwe me
before and then na wedi kan ede na ba court ama wonu abe plead guilty to the offenses are the ball. But then ye buy and not just and then obey the punishment and as a judgment. Now court no trans no when we say first count now ye the bond no involve the electronic abuse no court they say only jurisdiction not just only who to me as I say such a district court no it won't mean for punishment no emma no it because of that into no court e boss account no then eguye and a bar. The second counter, abuse of public conduct. In the end, also court to say, "My many default when they will to me say, SOT not the punishment at the manor." In the a lawyer for S-ray say, "Oh, who mobile na until the name any the enchano." Mobile kaya sa punishment no. Second count no. The whole punishment there at a maximum of 3 years. Misdemeanor. But a maximum of 3 years. But court no na adwunim say ma menu suna odana die no e koso bebre organ has say enti esese oye bibia e betimi aye de broni beka say deterrent say de be ya ankrofo bebre entimi form ho hye sa no manu na lawyer for asre bia ma menu say onkodam fiase afi baako
enti court na tenase ajeli ma mene 1 year court no watenase ahwe urade anim ajeli ma mene 1 year yewo democracy yewo freedom of speech ba wo democracy na ekita no nkyira wo say kodidi president John Mahama kodidi na tem yewo democracy yewo freedom of speech ba wo sa freedom of speech ni wo democracy no en guarantee en kire wo say sitting president and say on sitting president no ko na ko didi na tem It is a court na say. Na say instead of ye be jailing in 3 years, na ye jailing in 1 year. Court no mene ne ya adwene. Sa 1 year nipu isa. Sa 1 year na court no. Edema TikToker, NPP TikToker se Milano. Isa. Kese so come 5 years. Such a way the way ye did Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiatem. The way ye did Nana Kufuadu atem. The way ye did I President John Mahama terminal. As so betty. Neya Bayaden. Oh, ya politics and who betty. Because NDC government answer keke. Ghana police answer keke. Court answer keke. And we daily man just like that. Because ye ko bia or criticize you bia. Me criticize the NPP government. I criticize the NDC government. I tell you be or Ghana ha. I didn't think ye me jelly me. Ye intimin jelly me because me ko di president in atem. I just freedom of speech. Me who kwan say President John Mahama boss na or say you know. Me who kwan say esese me bisa ne say sa boss na wo hefa. Me who kwan. But me ni who kwan say me eden. Me didi President John Mahama tem there be sit da. Me who kwan say me democracy me right me chere madwene. But me ni who kwan say me didi president atem. Inti news way enkoma NDC NPP government. News way enkoma NPP government. NPP government yes raw. Ye power chow. Ada wo beba power no. Ada wo beba power no. Yes raw wani diemu. For mami we die nye infanto ho. For mami we die ye example. Obi biala wedi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiatem. Edi allegation upon allegation edi good so me sraw NPP government oba sankofo no me sraw seni akra secretary court ayi perfect odi mrani na ye adwuma nti wo so wo ba me sraw fa mrani ye adwuma no obi bia na wodi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiatem bia no ye nchi na ho brasie mu ne ono ne de ye nte so Uncle serve 3 years pepe. Ewan sawum, Miss Row. Court me power show. NPP me power show. Oba power. You were videos bebre. Me and kasa na meji videos na ba. E me NPP beba power no. Videos upon videos ah. Obi biele di Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiatem. Na Kufuadu atem ewo Ghana ha no awrade ma pali video ne da ho me yiye pie one by one na me make sure say ya ti sankofo ni hia gum pepepe mesrew NPP mesrew NDC abawa ya de 100% because me yedi me papa temu anyame de yedi me mama so atemu anyame de. But when NDC for the woman did Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiatem no. Sa NDC for no. Mu video pepe ma set down ma keep sa video no. Ade MPP beba power say keep. Me release sa video ni ya. Me da say.
I am here to let you know that Ghana police got this lady to say I have done wrong when there was nobody to speak for her. It's a shame. It's a very big shame. I'm stating a fact. The police picked this lady using the state machine which can track people without informing his relatives or her relatives that this is a charge. I'm stating facts. Your show is a very powerful show. The police should call this morning to deny the comments and facts that Kobo is giving. The police took this lady to cells when they didn't let anybody know where she was. They picked her on a Friday. The Saturday, the lawyers and relatives were combing police cells in Accra looking for her. Ghana police should stop this kind of behavior. Oh my God. We've come too far to see this kind of medieval, first 17th century behavior. You picked a vulnerable lady and you go like, you did this. Did you do it or not? What can she do? You are powerful. You are the state. And then she goes like, please, I'm guilty. And then you are Ghana police. You are parading this everywhere that the ladies are guilty. Come on. Don't you have lawyers in the Ghana police? Please. It's a fake evidence. It's a sham. When you come and tell us that someone admitted guilt, where was the lawyer? Where was the lawyer? And you are proud holding this evidence. You give it to a judge to put a lady in jail for a year when you secured it through very violent and foul means. It's a shame. It's a very big shame.
You mean at the time Camilla was arrested by the police?
Yeah.
She was asked whether she was guilty or innocent even before her lawyers had attended to her.
Yes.
You know this for a fact.
Come on, I'm telling you. Are you sure? Come on, I'm telling you. I said they should come and disprove Okobo. And you know what? Do you know why they give body cams to police officers? It's because when a police officer makes a claim about a citizen, the courts don't swallow it unless there's evidence.
Right.
And they don't swallow it because they know your objective is to jail her, whereas the civil liberties is to make sure that she's treated right. Is Ghana police having a recording of their engagement with Camilla? I challenge the Ghana police. Do you know why they will not give you a recording? Look, it's alleged that even there was mistreatment, but I will not focus on that. People can allege because you did all the things you secured from her in terms of confessions in the dark.
Did her lawyer raise these issues in court?
Now let me come to the next fact.
Okay.
Lawyers for Camilla, when they showed up in court on Monday, put forward a motion to try and restate her plea that she's moving from guilty to what? Not what? Guilty.
Because she said the guilt out of duress.
That is
so,
of course, yes.
So
yes.
They want to give her another opportunity to speak.
Absolute.
And what did she say?
When they put that before the judge, a date was given for them to take and to go through that motion. Before they would go into the motion, of course, when you go and file those things, it's not a judge you file, it's a registry. When they appeared in court, the judge and the prosecution said that because she's admitted to the wrong, they are going ahead to write the judgment on her.
How?
That's what happened.
Oh, but that's bizarre.
Yes.
Well, sure.
Bro,
the judge didn't give the lawyer and Camilla the opportunity to restate their case.
In the first place, my point here is that the confession is invalid and void because it was made in the absence of
because of the circumstances surrounding the confession.
And I'm also putting it on authority that there was an attempt and effort to restate her plea.
But must she spend 1 year in jail for these? I say no. Now, even at the time that we've passed the community service bill, first of all, I do not think that these comments should face criminal trial. And so when the police says that, oh, this is likely to provoke a breach of the peace in this country, politicians have said worse things. Okay, I do not support what she said, but the question is, does this warrant a custodial sentence? And I say no.
Is it going to be in charge of civil matters or criminal matters? Mr. Speaker, I am asking rhetorically. Respected Leonard, you must listen to me. You have your opportunity to have a bite. This is unfair. Respected Leonard Attorney General, first gentleman at the bar, this approach is wrong. This is wrong. You have your bite. You have a bite in the mic.
Honorable Minority Leader, Honorable Minority Leader, Honorable Attorney General,
and
please,
I'm your senior in
both
this chamber.
of you should resume your seats.
I'm your senior.
Honorable,
I agree, but I'm your senior here, and
please,
I'm your senior here.
Both of you should resume your seats.
You see chaos. That is what the tribunal will do. What you are doing is what the tribunal will do. They should let us speak.
Both of you resume your seats.
The tribunal system. This is the tribunal system. This is the tribunal
Honorable
system.
Minority Leader, Attorney General, both of you should resume your seats.
Tribunal system of justice. Tribunal system of justice. That's what you are practicing.
Right. Oh yeah, Mrashibijani, what's a crystal blower? I shake you. I shake you.
Oh, and shake me because NDC, almost PNDC mune buy. And then Kolana a Gen Z is now ban on PNDC. PNDC, any NDC, Subayani. Subayani, Abra PNDC bar first, no. Uti penny for an hour around that time now. Utonadi would near bet you. na soja fo brimu because you say why bibia PNDC for mpanimfo no eni nye den enye so PNDC apenso na ye wokrom ha judges miensa court na court eye omadwuma ye kochi o manaju de si omukukun om kohye om bodies na me na ye adom na nsi otogu so a obi ko hu ye ba ko na abofra etua nanufu a oma nanufu ye kochi no kukun no and someone akoso with PNDC in times past no and then kwala ya be mu nyina mo access to the internet enye se would bo enyum keke Google the history of the PNDC who Google abe say to trust someone akoso yi a PNDC and o me P ne fie anim and then say omo friend NDC suban ne nsesan the same thing na omo se wo kaya bako se mo anka enye se ahokyere ba economy ni mu just before the year your friend is saying 1992 89 company ade ba ya ko pre emwa as one of the conditions ye dey share kon say ko back to democracy and democracy kran ke bi ni because they are not democrats, they are not interested in democracy. To party needing national democracy and yet democracy they are not the party no na leader of the party be catch them so no they were choose to say Atamils and the successor. So do declaration munkai. There's no democracy in that party. And the parliament say assembly and discuss say there be decide and say yeah be a meeting committee of the whole. I will say decide say kwan be na be fa so I meeting no. Before I bet na se kra no mo mapa media na free ho.
Say na say dem hu kra nim fa so
o me ka tell say o mo decide say any say media no cover. Afenyo ma kin bisa clerk to parliament say why na decide here and na why na my instruction say media nim pie. Clerk and son Roxon Nelson da fia mekpo na sorry here. O so no o pamo media no.
Hey,
yes. Me kan na da.
And his capacity as well.
O so no pamo media ni on ti ase no nkoshepo. So it's the PNDC behavior.
Right.
And one of Mugusi.
You better run my imras with you. Quickly, you share and cook kete. Minister Babontin, you better just say, of course, if you marry Namni, or money your mother, and to marry and cook be. But the initiative, Obeka said, no initiative, I be empower Mabuno into agri business. Say,
yes, so my catch say next week. Ombechi ye MP bako. Because ye kasado.
Oman bomb money say
Oma na say nyina ye won for on the other side ye won for system.
And to be anim say we are now
ye de yen nim. Isi afreme. Because say ye kasa dodo. Aden ye aban hu did say because omo person obi abekasa. Na ma men kai o studio na make cha say aban we opese oka obia kasa bo ahye ne yam. We started with Chief Justice or the akofa MPs so in team for jo money ade or chichire ba or the aba central force so ni ade afi ordinary members of the society or chichiriba because of agenda bi we chiri a opese e bedru ho no na be me bi ani kromo tumi kasa into or chichiriba and they say yes a young lady bi okoke kan sem bi a e bia ase film kakra wa TikTok yes 1 year amano 1 year yes okodu court kra na oni lawyer and na lawyer dimi ka be gina na chi say obegina ha my lord first day no oni lawyer nti ono ade amukeka no nti ase ti ene me lawyer ma ba nti yen starting foforo ni taking the plea foforo judge ni se ontie
but critics wo fie no mutie and no mo hwe na o meka say state institutions na ye na djuma na den ye de asha NDC aba
enye state institutions bia na ye o madjuma because so far you kwa nipa ote no o state institution obia nim no ye political actor ban we buy no appointing no court na ho abra na mami tiwa o ye police officer e wo ho no what is say na ma we BC we are a political actor and ye did not court now until say you ko yes and money we any state institution na ye na djuma any state institution na ye na djuma and sana secondly eto de bi kra police for CID for say answer no be ni bi no utietie nkomo a NDC mpanimfo AD de omo church or social media ni nkeka ho na utumi directly say omo operate hwe abronye die say ye na ye ni lawyers where they are ekoso utieti nkomo a NDC mpanimfo edi openly on TV ni radio ni ade a wana akọ da ne say ade ne state institution adwuma obvious so mo weaponize law enforcement agencies no omo use as weapon because some person omo kan obia kasabo ahye ne yam asem we maka kan say one because of agenda bi a omo de ba on pese sa atan ne beso na be me bi ani
agenda be no mo de ba woni ma Ghana for
obvious ya kan be 2-3 times na Ghana for na say you Mahama ka chere mo say mo wa free nti to be asem yetumi ka chere mo direct but mo be fi omo work towards a third term agenda for Yura John Dramani Mahama
just start come am for no atum
nti ye ka obia no atum so that by the time wa omo be chichiri be wie ebe ye nyankoma de on person ye ni na awie no na be me bia ni kurumo kasa ye. That's what they are working towards, and that is one of the reasons for which they are silencing all dissenting voices in this republic.
But constitution emma ho kwan so betimi akosa term no
constitution no that's a constitution you want to interpret it. One interpret it. Supreme Court na interpret it. Sabre ya me no kase omo the 3 applications akọ Supreme Court 3 say Supreme Court enchire mu say obetumi akọ term. Fantifo be bisa say one tell wa na de won blow. Enti ade no omo chichireba, and for it to get there no I will see a silence all dissenting voices in this republic. And this will be a campaign once and bonny. Yeah, come back to those days of the culture of silence where ukasa wi a unim se obedufi na undufi. Na the enti ayen still ye kasa ne say utifie na fu se mfa wo ho a. Ye de ye
yes, Ghana for 81 the NDC for ye so mbechi MP back on Ghana for with mami hu adwenche wo comment section ana se me ne wo kase ye search another NPP TikToker your friend Dr. Perfect what life so an ne ma be dey abechi na no so ye de ni die chiri a ye hwese be dey ye bebo mo amane dia ye dey esi eti mesrem se mon share na mon like mame na momi ekotie dia ye dey aka ai mesrem se mon share ma mon like na John Dramani Mahama se de esi ni ekokoso no de why na adwen se term na no be dey obeko na mpanimfo se ye nsi wo hene ese ofo so si wo hene a esi wo ho hene a wunye obi amane dey ensom eti Yura John Dramani Mahama mesi onye obi amane dey ensom no ai ohene so wontie afuto so no ana yese wode de ete bibibi edeko bibibi edeko bedwam mebo ana aha eti mesa se mon share na mon like mame na obi bia ansanye dey enka bi mesel
La Harris alasandi ama me yomashim yechi abaya no ana mami eda yechi na ne kokot na lawyer kan no ena yebusa no e man taking the plea emrem odi no kokota ye bebusa wo odi bem ana odi for so be a lawyer crampa and my very good friend and colleague lawyer here knows so obi a lawyer cra wonya asem ko sa akọ pe lawyer cra ma lawyer na e dey twitwaje no how much more obi asabe oni mura ho hwe kra okoye ebusa no so what tia se so won tia se and o say ojitum wafum eti hona na say you convict no ba ne sentence no Monday ye hwe na ne hu no course amaye me frɛ Mawutu Senya West organizer youth organizer say eventually na mtese say ya secretary or no so lawyer ni mapa Douglas and they represent lady no no kwa no ye nya ante ne so order Spinters police station omo Saturday abaya say ya bro no ampa or the evidence kire bruises bi anu nya no e de kire okay eti ye chi no si ye hunu ano e no kwaka say an megitum mafum see you no obiani but to be fair Monday a lawyer no any court no and the lawyer no putting in a motion for her plea to be retaken who's a judge nevi na one pemboa and one so kata say mpacho mo me some few minutes or church when maybe I say the sentence no whatever. The judge never took into consideration the motion before the court. Lawyer ndia to say, oh, ebra oba wanim na ano no. Na lawyer ni bia nka no, yenim so say mra yi say, si ya kire wa, ni di kan o se ya kan oboni a waye. E de kire wo. Na yenya ka boni che we ni asa ka say wo. You are also entitled under the law. So we pay legal representation of your own choice. Sansa yenim se mra na ya kire e very technical. Where's people on my lawyer for crowd bia na say you do suko asakwa ni ate ase ebre bia mra no kwa na ye sachire mu de bia na wusua de
Anytime they can say lawyer Nina, some cramp on a copel lawyer Nina, lawyer Nina, to judge. How much more said you be on own lawyer, on him, law moons and India. So I felt in a pair at the Kuntia Constitution, I say, your bow do. No, say, whoop, you feel saying book ramponos, how when you are, I just say, at 10 years for them. Almost say, I didn't a beyond reasonable doubt. And my good friend here knows. Beyond reasonable doubt, and this woman be and tanta. Our dear wood, you know, and this woman be coincidence. Also, you must be clear in your mind that any person may see what this harmony a dear sentence, no, because and if I would will be just war. What no a BB punishment in our dear man. It's also ye be ampa. A dear me, dear, a beyond reasonable doubt. You prove it before me. It's Monday, never pan a hard case of what you will be a year, fiada. Not about court in whom and ton so. Come where did not tina. Memma sonny moo. I did not back court them all. Now, what ya too, Simon and first war. What ya too say I'm a demonibi. Now, a juada. The lawyer nearby say, oh, I've done or buy an lawyer in when the lawyer nearby to me say. Ni plea now take you know. Mr. Say, if I see a taking no repeat. Debbie, guys on test. One year sentence no.
Peace FM.
Now see, I am G3. What you say? The constitution after the name you paying. And what I say is no.
Delay. Etika gali die pan. Nanka court ni nyeden. Pa ofem.
The time you can send it in the court. Any quality of the Kujina court. A person you know, and was a court to Locano. Check down the Kujina court, thou cast me pleaded guilty. Not omitting the quiet club, only lawyer. Omitting Kujina, only lawyer.
Say, girl is why NPP in Namoya for the baby, will be at a 1 year fast.
The patrol bed, the one who said down here the name court to. Check, I'm not now, yet in the court, I'm Kujina Muman, say lawyer. Now, what the new court means over the new court too. That day, near court to see a present petition to the Chief Justice. A while not yet says, I announced yet another court. Anna, General Secretary, Cassie and Co. You do want a General Secretary cast about for you, money. The General Secretary called to them on a catch and the minimum mano. What I say, now you mean. It is said the Aquala 19 years about who said what 18 years. Then so Aquala 19. Judge, who my pine class uncle lawyer. What I say, it's not Bentino, and was some unit just so. Mesha Aquala seen the police for the over soon. Sabi, Kupika, Pran and Kobeya, get the police for the North African Russia. Huh? Kwame, that we are on air through. We need to retrace our footsteps back to where we are coming from.
Lawyer, both NPP and NDC no Sankro for Makei. A foot will be sure. Say, I say, both NDC and NPP. One more party move, one more you move. Nina say, I say, would be a term and any view soon near the idea.
In America, I will say, your value system can break down.
Oh.
Kwame. And I make a value system now break it down. Ahead of the 2024 election, for many years, NDC for no Mutia Ubi wa America mem. Mutia Ubi wa America mem for the only penny for them diplomacy. It will do two for you. No more dinner because almost will say they must turn the other tribes against Ashantis. Send your beya. Asante fuwe hintino, omu ntwaba emma NPP. Inti abstraction, omu bani di otu fuwa tem, no di asante fuwa tem, no siya nkwasiano miyade. They were paying him. Bakuso no Germany, and say yankopo krapon in South Africa. Na so the omu ya no. Omu strategy no ya no. Just so they can get political power. What I say, Namuya Minurano, only say, Abrantiano,
court class I can afford a court class ma order for his arrest. Issue bench warrant for his arrest. It's Ghana Kuma Kanu to me, man. Omoba power no, then Omo far where this should be a branch and a coy, a ma court could use any other, it's free home. Oba Kuma field, a hair fan and what here. A hair fan and what that. Now, come in, sister, we need to be say we are. And ya kono ma for Ruby for you. And ya kono ma for Ruby for you. And then, because almost say, kono. It is only because that NPP super power. Obviously, when you're baby, Bobby, you go far should be a base. You go far once and about you. You go far should be a base. You go far once and I think about. Bobby, you are part you. So, maybe not say, I did be a seer. In such a DNA, it's a thing you are NDC. But I say, Kwame, you retracing your footsteps back to our value system. Democracy and Pamra Nkwane Chitre. To make us the rule of law. No, yet the set of value systems the sustaining. You're referee who thought I say. And I know Uncle yes, I'm George, no me at the end. And then I could baby no.
Yes, Ghana for message a video here in mami who adventure. What it? Message na me catch NPP for say almost on for strategy mro. Almost on for strategy mra. Politics is all about strategy. And the NDC for no a divided strategy say what the enchie any assembly si ese omohwe so omoho be kwa adwama na say egu mu partner ni maase a no match will be NPP for so trans no so for strategy mra no munya internal fight na edu internal fight dia no mayire omoho kono yes mon trans na mon nwen na mon for strategy mra yes strategy yes you be use mon trans na mon nwen fa bi mra ya bremo mon for strategy mra and this for edu mo strategy aba e dey chi atum it is a for strategy mra politics politics more ye bikeke and ye bikeke yo politics is all about strategy. So if you don't have strategy me say forget when 2016 strategies ya de baye ukubebia your friends say NDC for etie anaso mutu abama NDC yengu hokota anase yenye omu hokwan ma ema o say friends say enfutro honoma unim ye de cars ko eseda ko for the spirit ko twam ebu omu futuro na enfuturo abom no ma na omubu afu no mo ke kambi traban no say ade ne yakwan ye ye ade de eyema bia de ye saade no mo ya ma me de strategy atuja eyema bia de ye saade no na mfuturo bonkofo na kofo bu afu se na ho ye kwan ma ye to aba sa ne politics is all about strategy. NPP for your first strategy mra 2028 your first strategy e bet me dey to me FNDC for nsem your family na NDC for use strategy say omo kan anu atum o mbe chi yen and omo chi Dr. Perfect me a chi no what TikTok live I don't make chi na so Ghana for mesel mami hu adventure mesel say share e mami wate share mami yes share mami voiceofnsawamtv there mesi o mbe try so mbe kan anu atum ba o mutimi kan anu nyere entum it mesel say share and like mami na platform ni nu akire pa enye TV station na ye make sure say 2028 be bo adwuma ye dey ama NPP it me da wase pa share many part 10 me da ase